In this quick Photoshop tutorial, you will learn how to create a knockout, or cutout effect in Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and make sure to watch the video till the end. First, open the image in Photoshop, and make a rectangle of any dimension that you want. Set the color of the rectangle as per your wish, and align the rectangle in the center. Now make sure that no layer is selected. Then select the Type tool, and type any text that you want. You can resize and align the text as per your need. Now double-click on the text layer. This will open the Layers tile menu. Now, here in Advanced Blending section, change the knockout value from none to shallow, and reduce the fill opacity to 0 from 100%. Then hit OK. We have finally created the knockout effect. Here you can see that you are able to see through the text,